Okay, I had a customer email yesterday about setting up a parking spot for this Yeti SmartBench. So typically that would be when you finish a job and you want it to go to the opposite end of the machine. Say I wanted to do my bit changes and I wanted to grab bits from this tray. I want it to finish and be able to send it over here quickly and automatically. So the way we do that is we're going to go to that spot. Basically this is my orientation point for my job. So this, if we look at our mapping screen, let's give it a second to clear up. I've got my orientation point right here, but I'm going to move this P indicator for parking. I'm going to move it over here. So what we would do is change to navigation mode, run the machine down to that end, set the parking spot, and then when we finish running a job, we just hit go to the parking spot, and it'll move to the opposite end of the table. And we can walk down there, grab the bit we want, make the change, tell it to go back to the orientation point, or just start the next job, and we'll automatically go to the material orientation point that you've already saved. So we can set this here in X and Y. So if that's where I want it to be, I'm going to go and set that as my parking spot. And you'll see the icon moved. So when it finishes the job, it would be finished and automatically, in this case, come to this corner of the machine. This is my home spot for the material for the job that I am hypothetically running. Sorry. That's where it ends up automatically. So when I want to send it back down to the other side to grab a bit off that tray, once it finishes its job, it ends up right here. I go to my mapping screen and say go to the parking spot, and it sends itself down there automatically. Do your bit change, and you can just run the next program because it will automatically come back to the material home. You don't have to send it there and then run the program. Just run it. It'll load the program and bring it here. Thanks for watching.